Are you tired of having your dispute letters rejected from bureaus because they all look the same? Say goodbye to that. Introducing our groundbreaking feature that adds real-time AI capabilities to your live letter previews. Now, you can rephrase sections or the entire template based on different response levels. Let's dive right in. Once you're on the Dispute Fox dashboard, head over to the letter section and open a sample factual letter template. Here, you have the power to adjust the tone of your letter by choosing various response levels, from mild to assertive. You have a range of options such as polite, formal, surprised, and numerous others to choose from for rewriting. Let's click on the frustrated option and watch the magic happen. See that? With a simple click, the necessary sentences get rephrased to match the desired tone. Now, let's build a factual dispute letter for a client, where we will rewrite the letter depending on the response we choose. Let's rewrite the given letter by choosing the nervous option. It takes a few seconds, and here you can see the necessary sentence is rephrased based on the option we selected. But wait, there's more. Crafting Metro2 dispute letters is hassle-free. Since these letters can be lengthy, you can either rewrite the specific section you need by selecting it, or rewrite the entire letter, choosing different response options provided. Simply amazing, right? However, just a friendly heads up, while the AI works its magic, unexpected results might pop up. Remember to double-check those rewrites before hitting the next button. With Dispute Fox, your letters are about to reach new heights of precision and effectiveness.